Hi guys, Luke here from Luke Tech Reviews, and I finally got my hands on the Pixel 8 Pro. If you need a screen protector today, you're in luck. We'll be going through how to install the tempered glass screen protector from Spigen. So this is their Align Master series. Really big fan of this screen protector. I've used it on every Pixel so far. So let's dive in and get going. So as I said, we're going to run through the installation of the Spigen tempered glass screen protector for the Pixel 8 Pro today. Before I go ahead, make sure you jump down below and like and subscribe, because I've got plenty more content coming up for the Pixel 8 Pro. So with all that in mind, let's get going. So as you see here, I've got the box for the Spigen tempered glass screen protector, and you see just on the back it says it's for my Pixel 8 Pro. So let's get this unboxed. And let's just see what we've got in the packaging now. So let's just open this. As you can see in here, we've got our stickers and our cloth for wiping down afterwards, and some wet wipes. Next, we've got the tray, so you use that to pop on to make it nice and easy to install with. And the other reason I really like Spigen is they always include a little tool for edging out any of the bubbles which you may have on the screen protector. And in the packet, you'll also get two tempered glass screen protectors, so not one but two. If you go wrong first time, don't worry, there's another one in there. Okay, so if you look at my screen, we have smudges and finger marks on there already where I was setting the phone up earlier. First we're going to start with to get rid of those is the wet wipe. So if you look at the video that Spigen have, they actually use this cloth first, but it just adds more dust to the screen. So always start with the wet wipe first, and that'll get all the smudges and stuff off, and then we can use the cloth afterwards. I'm going to get rid of all the finger marks and smudges on the screen. I think that is probably good. And then I like to use that and just give it a wipe. So finger mark gone. There's going to be a bit of dust on there from using this cloth now, but then we're going to go on next to the stickers. So grab your stickers, and you just want to place your phone down without touching the screen, because you don't want any smudges back on it. Get your stickers. I always pop it back on the edge there, and then you can hold the rest of it to use, and then just go across and get off as much as you can. Now obviously there is dust in the air, so you do always have the chance of dust getting back onto the screen after you've done this, but it's just one of those things when putting the screen protector on. So the idea is try and get it done quite quickly. Okay, and then grab your tray and pop it on the phone, and that's going to get you nice and aligned. It's going to make this so simple when you're trying to put the screen protector on. This is why the Spigen one is the best, because it's quite hard to go wrong. You grab your screen protector, and you'll see here you've got the screen protector on a white tab, and you just want to pull off the white tab, and that bit can just go in the bin. What you want to do now is, this is the back, and then you've got the sticker on the front where you're going to press and slide. You just want to pop it in top first and then bottom, and all you're going to do then is where it says press and slide all the way down, and then just give that a minute to form out those bubbles and make its way through the screen. What you want to do then is pull off the tray, and you can pop that to the side now, and as you can see, as I pull up, there's still some bubbles on there. What you need to do now is just give it another press and slide, and then just grab the sticker at the top, and you can pull that off. Still some fairly large bubbles, and then some small ones around the outside. So that's the reason that Spigen include this little tool. So what you want to do with this is just go across the screen and try and edge out those bubbles so you can get rid of them all. And the idea is, if there's any in the middle, push them towards the edge. Okay, so I'm just going to give that a quick wipe down. Alright, so I think we're looking pretty good. All I can see is one little bubble there and one little bubble there. If there are any bubbles left, it could just be a little piece of dust that's left under there, and most of the time after a couple of days they disappear. Before we end the video, let's check how we're looking in terms of the fingerprint scanner. So I don't think there's going to be a problem. If you've seen one of my videos before for the Pixel and the Spigen tempered glass screen protector, what I always recommend that you do is you go down to setting, and if you go to display and scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see this option here, screen protector mode. Make sure once you've installed the screen protector you turn that on. All it does is make the screen play better with the screen protector. Hopefully now the fingerprint should be nice and fast and should feel almost like there's nothing there. And as you can see, I've got absolutely no problems with the screen protector and the fingerprint scanner. The great work, Spigen. If you guys are interested in purchasing the screen protector from Spigen, I'll leave a link in the description down below. The price comes in $19 in the US and $19.99 in the UK. If you found that easy to follow, as I said, comment down below and let me know how you got on, and let me know what colour Pixel 8 Pro or Pixel 8 you picked up, because I'm really interested to see how popular the different colours are. Please remember to like and subscribe the video if you found it useful, and tune in next time for more Pixel 8 Pro Pro content. That's for today. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'm Luke from New Tech Reviews. See you next time.